Actor. A person who performs in films, TV shows, or theater. The actor won an award for his performance. Artist. A person who creates art such as paintings or sculptures. The artist displayed her work in the gallery. Builder. A person who constructs buildings and other structures. The builder is working on a new house. Chef. A professional cook, especially the chief cook in a restaurant. The chef prepared a delicious Italian meal. Doctor. A person trained to treat sick or injured people. The doctor examined the patient carefully. Driver. A person who drives a vehicle as a job. The taxi driver dropped me at the airport. Engineer. A person who designs, builds, or maintains machines, systems, or structures. The engineer is working on a new bridge project. Farmer. A person who grows crops or raises animals for food. The farmer works in the fields every morning. Firefighter. A person trained to put out fires and rescue people. The firefighter saved a family from the burning house. Mechanic. A person who repairs and maintains machines, especially cars. The mechanic fixed my car quickly. Musician. A person who plays or composes music. The musician performed live at the concert. Nurse. A healthcare professional who cares for patients. The nurse gave the patient her medicine. Photographer. A person who takes photographs professionally. The photographer captured a beautiful sunset. Pilot. A person who flies an aircraft. The pilot announced a smooth landing. Police officer. A person who enforces the law and keeps public order. The police officer helped the lost child. Programmer. A person who writes and maintains computer software. The programmer fixed the bug in the code. Scientist. A person who studies or works in the field of science. The scientist discovered a new element. Teacher. A person who educates students in a school. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Waiter. A person who serves food and drinks in a restaurant. The waiter took our order politely. Writer. A person who writes books, articles, or other texts. The writer published her first novel last year.